Barkha enjoys bike rides with boyfriend. Well, bold with the header, the much married Barkha Dutt enjoying time with her boyfriend. Puzzled, aren't you? Well, Barkha and her hubby Indraneil Sengupta, who together make one of the most good-looking and lovable couple in the tinsel town, sure know how to keep the flames alive in their relationship. The two indulged last night into a bike ride and posted a super cute romantic picture on Instagram. Barkha labeled her hubby as her boyfriend that we think it is the sweetest thing you will see in the internet today. Here, check out the post. Late night bike ride with boyfriend. Excitement, romance, late night bike like. Aren't the two just adorable? What do you feel on the story? Leave your comments below. And for more television updates, subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.